Good morning, y'all. We're gonna have a pastrami provolone omelet. I'm gonna throw this provolone in there just to warm it up. And while that's warming up, I'm gonna crack my eggs. Here's what I got. I got just a little, probably a tablespoon of water in there. I'm gonna put about the same amount of evaporated milk in here. That's probably enough. I'm gonna bust up my eggs in there. Alright, let me get my mixer. Sure smells good. Little more butter. Remember, butter is our friend. All right, here we go. Now, I'm gonna put a lid on that because the omelet is a little fluffier with a lid on it. That's what I've since learned from many people on the internet. All right, I'm gonna let that cook a minute. We'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna try to flip that without messing it up. Why won't you get on there, huh? Jeez. I've already messed it up, so I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. There we go. All right, let's start loading it up. Tell you what, I'm going to cover that for just a minute So that cheese will melt. And in the meantime, I'll tell you about my thyroid, what I found out. I have 3 nodules on my thyroid, and they're really large. They're 4 centimeters. And I don't know if they're cancerous yet. I got to go back and have a biopsy done on the nodules. But what I've since found out is that they can't remove the nodules. If the nodules are bothering me, and they are, they're affecting my swallowing and my breathing, then they have to take the whole thyroid out, which is probably a route I'm going to have to go. So I won't know till probably next week or 2 if the nodules are cancerous. And if they are, we'll go from there. Alright, that's probably long enough for that cheese to melt. Oh man. Boy, that's going to be a good omelet there. Already. Get it over here on the table, give it a taste test. I'll bring you over there in a second. Alright, I think I'm going to put salsa on this. Whoops. Make sure you're on camera. There we go. Oh man, it's like an omelet and a sandwich rolled up in one. Damn good. This will definitely omelet. All right, tomorrow I'm gonna do an avocado omelet. I've never done an avocado, but maybe not tomorrow. I gotta let these avocados ripen up another 2 or 3 days. So see you soon, y'all. Thanks for watching. I feel like a hero. I just rescued a caramel apple pie from the bargain bin for $1.95. Who doesn't buy apple pie for $1.95? And it is 79 degrees, sunny day, got a bit of a breeze. If it was like this every day, you would never hear a peep out of me. It's been kind of a cold and dreary winter. I sure am glad to see some warmth and some sun. I think for the most part, winter's over. A couple more weeks and things will start blooming out and people go to planting, and we'll be back to the good life where you can just come outside in shorts and flip-flops and not die.